Okay. I know I was missing in action. So this is my public apology punishment for breaking my streak and being inconsistent. Whew. But trust me, I wasn't just ghosting you guys. I was trying amazing things in my life, and today's vlog is all about that. In the past few days, I tried Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu for the first time. Helped marking a trail for a race in Manali. Created a hiking group for kids and adults. Made them hike, sketch and disconnect from their phones on their hikes. And honestly, I am nothing but proud of myself. So watch this vlog till the end. I'll tell you how our brain changes when we try something new. Starting with Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, I tried it for the very first time. One of my friends suggested this sport to me. मुझे लगा कुछ ना कुछ तो definitely टूट जाएगा आज. Well, something did break. My misconception that these sports are too rough. Because honestly, they don't break you, though they can, but they make you feel stronger, both physically as well as mentally. And you know what? I loved it. और मुझे समझ में आया कि how strong my body is. If I work on it in a right direction, I can even make it stronger. और समझ में आया कि how powerful our mind becomes when we try something new and scary. Try something new teaches you presence. It creates signals in your brain that it gets alert and it wakes up. You cannot afford to lose focus in these kind of sports. So you have to stay in the moment.
Today I am going to try something new as well. Yesterday I did Jiu-Jitsu and today I am going to do trail marking for the Setan Summit. So I was always on the other side. I have participated in the races, but I have never done the trail marking thing. So this is the first time I am going to do that, and I wanted to see how exactly it feels, because I know it is going to be a little tough, but I really want to enjoy this thing. As I can't participate in the race right now, but this is something which I really wanted to do.
So we have reached Dobri and it is a beautiful campsite. Earlier people used to camp there, now they don't anymore because it's not very far from the roadhead, but it's a beautiful meadow. I genuinely love this place, and you can see a little bit of me over there. So yeah, it's a nice place. Then came trail marking. There is a race that happens in Manali, and this time I volunteered to mark the trail for the runners. Usually I am on the other side. I run and have fun. But this time I was thinking from a runner's perspective and marking the trail. It made me respect the mountains even more, because when you map a route, you notice everything. By the way, ये marks 2-3 महीने बाद चले जाएंगे. So enjoy them while they are fresh. So if you are going on a Hamta Pass trail, from Jobri to Hamta Pass, there are route markings. You can enjoy them without thinking of getting lost in the wilderness.
So yes, I am going to have Rajma Chawal, and I love Rajma Chawal. Wow. So today my job was to do this marking thing till Chika, and I have done it. Now I'm waiting other people to come down from Balukagera to Chika so that we can go down. It was a fun hike, and that too, the marking thing, something new.
The best part, the hiking group, I created a space for kids and adults to come together, walk, sketch, talk, laugh and just exist without screens. We did simple things, sit quietly, observe the trees, draw the shape of mountains, and the best part, they did it without complaining even once. राग पहले बताएगा. राग क्या बना रहे हो बेटा?
बना है माउंटेन और ट्री और उसमें ग्रीन कलर किया है.
ओके, बहुत अच्छा. आपने क्या बनाया बेबी? हैं? आप कलर कर रहे हो? Science explains simply why trying new things actually changes you. So what actually happens in your brains when you try new things? Let me break it down for you. When we try something new, it is like two wires which fire together and creates a spark, which connects them into one. I read it somewhere few years back that neurons which fire together wire together. And this process is called neuroplasticity, which means your brain can change, adapt and grow no matter what age you are. And this spark also releases a chemical called dopamine, your happiness chemical. It creates new neural pathways. Your brain becomes flexible and sharp. And that's how it creates a muscle memory. So now I want to ask you, when was the last time you tried something for the first time? Was it a dance form, a recipe, an instrument, or any sport? If you have not tried recently anything new, then this is your sign. Try something new this week and do it for yourself. Do it for the pure joy of it. Not for Instagram, not for any kind of approval, not for any kind of external validation. Just the pure joy of it. Like I did in this last week. I want to grow, I want to explore, I want to learn new things. I want these neurons to fire together and wire together in my brain so that I can keep growing in my life. And sharing this thing with you makes me so happy. Thank you for watching this vlog. See you in the next one.